Take a breath. Is your strength helping you or hurting you? Day 5 of our Hanuman Chalisa journey. Let me tell you a story first. So, a few months ago, a man named Raj came to one of my workshops. Corporate leader, mid 40s, smart, composed, successful by every definition you could list. But when he spoke, his voice had a weight, the kind that doesn't come from authority but from exhaustion. At one point, he said, I have spent my whole life trying to be strong. I have handled every crisis at work, every problem at home. But I'm realizing strength isn't the problem, direction is. I know how to fight, I have forgotten how to hold. That stayed with me. Because there's a difference between fighting and holding. Fighting is strength that reacts, and holding is strength that protects. And exactly that is the essence of today's verse. हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा बिराजे, कांधे मुंज जनेऊ साजे. You hold the thunderbolt and the flag in one hand and wear the sacred thread across your shoulder. Tulsidas gives us an image. Hanuman standing tall, holding Vajra, the thunderbolt, in one hand, Dhwaja, the flag, in the other, and across the chest, the sacred Janayu, the thread of purity and purpose. Power in one hand, purity on the heart, action and alignment side by side. Now, let's step back into his story. When Hanuman set Lanka ablaze, it wasn't rage, it was justice. And even in that destruction, he protected the innocent. He could carry mountains, burn cities, crush demons. Yet, never once did he lose the thread of dharma that ran across his chest. That's Kande Monju Janeyu Saji. The sacred thread is not decoration, it's discipline, it's remembrance of resistance. Hanuman held Vajra, the weapon of lightning, yet never struck from ego. And Dhwaja, the flag, symbol of Rama's name, always reminding him every act of power must fly under the banner of purpose. This is why Tulsidas places these symbols together, one in each hand, one across the chest. He is saying true strength is symmetrical. If you hold only power, you become dangerous. If you hold only purity, you become passive. But when you balance the two, power guided by purity, you become divine. Coming back to our Raj, the corporate success. After that workshop, actually, he wrote me a short message. I have realized I have been living with only the Vajra. I am learning to raise the Dhwaja. That line made me smile because that's Hanuman's teaching in one sentence. You're not asked to give up your thunderbolt, your power, your ability, your ambition. You are just asked to raise your flag, to remember why you are using that power in the first place. The flag reminds you of purpose, the thread reminds you of purity, and together they keep your power sacred. In our lives, the Vajra can be your sharp mind, your voice, your authority. The Dhwaja is your intention, the reason you choose to act. The Janeyu, the sacred thread, is your integrity, the promise you wear across your heart to stay aligned with truth. So today, ask yourself, what is the thunderbolt I hold, that power I am gifted with? Is it my words, my talent, my influence, or anything else? It can be anything. And under which flag am I flying it? Ego or purpose? Because when the two doesn't align, even strength feels heavy. But when they do, when power serves purity, it becomes light. graceful, unstoppable. Now, take a moment and picture Hanuman standing still, shoulders steady, one hand raised with the Vajra, indestructible strength, and the other hand holding the Dhwaja, the flag of service, and across his chest, the sacred thread of remembrance. That image isn't mythology, it's instructions. It's how we are meant to hold our own lives. So, say it softly with me. हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा बिराजे कांधे मुंज जनेऊ साजे. Let that rhythm settle into your breath. Power in one hand, purpose in the other, purity over your heart. That's how Hanuman stands. And that's how we learn to stand. Because real strength isn't about what you can lift, it's about what you can uphold: truth, kindness, integrity. And tomorrow we move to day 6, where we will begin with Hanuman's story, a moment that shows how divine strength stays humble in the presence of love. Until then, remember, carry your thunderbolt, raise your flag, keep your thread close to your heart. One verse a day, one quality to awaken, one power to align. Jai Hanuman.